everyone, happy Tuesday. Welcome to another penny hunt here on the Penny Hunter. I do have a box here from LiQWYD. LiQWYD does usually give me a good amount of Wheaties and a good amount of Canadians. It also has the second highest amount of copper, but the lowest amount of 1960s, which means a majority of the coins do come from the 1970s. I do also get a good amount of 2009s, so let's see if that continues. I do also see here a Canadian ender in roll number 11. I did check the other side. There are no enders on the other side. So, without further ado, I'll bring you back the first time we get something good. Roll number 2 gives us our first hit. I almost missed it, but I saw it out of the corner of my eye as I picked it up. It's a 1946 Denver wheat cent. We're on the board. Roll number 2 gives us our second Wheatie. It's a 1956 Philadelphia. Nice coin. Roll number 4 gives us a double doozy. It's a 1974 Canadian. That's our first Canadian. And right behind it, you see it here. It's a 1951 Philadelphia wheat cent. Wheat cent number 3 in only 4 rolls. Roll number 5 gives us a beautiful find. You might be able to see it here on the screen before I pick it up. I couldn't tell what it was when I found it, but you can see that it is a beautiful, shiny, red 1959. It is the first year of the Lincoln Memorial in the back. I've only found 2 of these in over 40 boxes, so this is number 3. It's going to be hard to beat this in terms of the find of the box, but the fact that I found this so early makes me wonder if there's more. I'll bring you back if there is more. To bring you in, no, it's not a Wheatie, but at the same time, it's still a beautiful coin. This beautiful 1968. Just an absolute gem of a coin. Very, very shiny. I'm wondering if it's a proof, considering it is a 68. I'll have to do more research. I'm not exactly sure. I'll let you know if I find about anything else about this coin. That is back-to-back Blazers in the same roll. Roll number 6, our 4th wheat cent of the box already. It's an oldie. It's a 1937 beautiful coin. We've had a blazing 59, a 37, and some really nice finds already. Roll number 10. It's our 6th Wheatie. It's a 46S. I love finding S-mint marks, I love finding Wheaties, and I love finding S-marked Wheaties. Unbelievable. We're on a great pace. Bring you back in. Roll number 11. That was the ender I was telling you about before. It's a 1978. It's a gross 70S, but it is an S, our second of the box. Roll number 16 gives us a double doozy. We have a 1962 Younghead. There she is. Beautiful coin. First one of the box. 3rd Canadian overall. And another wheat cent. That's number 7. It's a 1953 Denver. It was hiding. Roll number 16. Our 8th wheat cent. It's a 56 Denver. That's 1 every 2 rolls. Roll number 19. Canadian number 4. It's a 1997. Roll number 22 gives us another Wheatie. It's a 1940 from Philly. That's 9, and we're not even halfway through the box. Hopefully it keeps up. That would be exciting. This has to be a record. Roll number 23. We are up to 10 wheat cents. And it's a 1948 Philly in pretty decent condition. That's 23 rolls. We already have 10. And I don't remember finding 2 wheat cents in a roll. This is crazy. Unbelievable. Roll number 24 gives us our 11th wheat cent already. It's a 1944 Philadelphia with a big gash on the back. This is absolutely crazy. There was a friend in the roll. After that 44, we have another one. Roll number 24 gives us a 58D. Wanted to bring you in for the midway wrap-up. I did find 12 Wheaties. 12 in only 25 rolls. We only have 4 Canadians, 1 Younghead. We do have 6 1959s. So If we can get a couple more Canadians and we can get 4 more 1959s, a couple more Canadians on the pace we're on, we could have our second triple-double in only 5 boxes. Roll number 27, wheat cent number 13, it's a 53 Philly. Roll number 29 gives us wheat cent number 14, it's a 1942 Philadelphia. So, I accidentally messed up recording this the first time, but it allowed me to see that I needed my gloves for this find. You can see that it's shiny right there. It's definitely a red-brown wheat cent. I already know what it is. Like I said, I went to record this and I dropped it, so I had to refilm it. But you can see here, this has some really nice shine to it. And when you see what it is, you're going to be just as amazed as me. It's a 1926. It's a 95-year-old coin that still has some shimmer to it. Absolutely unbelievable. This might be the best coin I've pulled from circulation. There were 157 million of them minted, but to find a 95-year-old coin in this kind of condition, unbelievable. Roll number 30 gives us another blazing 68. Look at the shine on this thing. Unbelievable. That's the second one we have found like this in this box. I'm speechless. Look at the quality of this. Look at the shine of this. This is crazy. In the same roll number 30, I found this. It's not in as good condition, but I mean, wow. These are some blazing coins. Unbelievable. Roll number 31 gives us 2 wheat cents. It's a 52 Philly, and its friend, it's a 56 Philly. We're up to 17 wheat cents in only 31 rolls. I'll take it. Another S mint strike in roll number 32. Roll number 35. Another wheat cent. As soon as I can spin it around for you guys. It's a dark 1944 Philadelphia. That's number 18 in 35 rolls. Roll number 35 had another wheat cent. It's a 1948 Philadelphia. We're up to 19. Could this box get any better? Could it? Could this box get any better? We have a 1919 Philadelphia. What a find. A 102-year-old coin in a box that we've already found a shiny 1956. And this is our 20th wheat cent. Unbelievable. Roll number 38 gives us another wheat cent. It's a 1950 Philadelphia. We're up to 21 in only 38 rolls. In the bottom of the frame, you might have seen it. It's wheat cent number 22. It's a 44D. We have tied our third best box of all time in total amount of Wheaties, and we still have 12 and a half rolls to go. More hunts, more finds, more S mint marks. That's number 4. Pretty crazy with the amount of all other stuff we have found so far. Roll number 39 gives us another Canadian. It's only our 5th of the box, and that shows you how truly difficult it is to get a triple-double. 10 Canadians, 10 Wheaties, and 10 1959s. We've had a lot of Wheaties in this box. We have had a good number of 1959s, but the Canadians are just not there today. Roll number 40 moves this box into the record books with wheat cent number 23. That is our third best box of all time. Unbelievable. Roll number 42 gives us wheat cent number 24 and number 25. This one's another 1930s. We now have 4 wheat cents that are 1939 or older. Let's see what this one has to bring. Oh, another 1930s. Now that makes 5. Roll number 43. This falls out of the roll right in front of me. It's the 1927 Philadelphia. More old Wheaties. This might be the box with the most old Wheaties I've ever found. This is now 6 1930s, 20s, or teens. Unbelievable. We have 27 wheat cents, folks. 27. It's another S mint mark from the 40s. We have a 1941 S. You see it there. We are up to wheat cent number 28. It's a 44 Philly. One more in 4.5 rolls, and we will tie our second best box of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is, roll number 47. A 1957 Denver ties us for our second best Wheatie box of all time. I've only hit 30 wheat cents one time, and that's the record-setting box with a total of 36. I don't think I'm going to hit 36 here with only 3 rolls left, but to get 30 would still be really, really cool. There it is, wheat cent number 30. It's only the second time we've ever hit 30 in a box. It's a 1942 Philadelphia. Incredible. 30 wheat cents, 49 rolls. And he had a friend. Roll number 49. A really beat up 1945 Philadelphia. That's 31. If you thought 31 wheat cents was amazing and all of the other stuff we found, this is probably, I'm not sure, the find of the box. It's a 1972p DDO, the Wexler DDO 004. Trying to see if you can see the doubling here without me putting it under the scope. It's difficult to see with my phone, but I'm going to attach some pictures right after this, and it shows the doubling, and we did confirm it is the Wexler DDO 004. Unbelievable find. What a crazy box. The second highest number of Wheaties ever. 6 pennies from the teens, 20s, and 30s. 2 S mint mark wheat cents. That red-brown 1926. A blazing red 1959 first-year Lincoln Memorial. This box just had my adrenaline rushing by the end, wondering what else we might find. It did have a record low number of Canadians with only 5, but you can't get mad at what we found. This was absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we will be back with another Penny Hunt video. We post daily videos here on the Penny Hunter. Please subscribe and like this video if you haven't done so already. Have a great day and happy hunting.